Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this platinum white CR-V SE. Now of course it is a 2 litre self-charging hybrid, and you do get full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get full front parking sensors and these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition. But coming out and around to the rear now, as you'll notice, it is a 2020 year model. You've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then in the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. You've then got a lever on either side which will enable you to fold the seats down flat, just to save you from walking round to the side of the car. And you've also got your pull-out privacy shelf just there. Then coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all around, all of which are automatic, and of course keyless entry and start. Then coming into the middle, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your eCVT gearbox, your sports, econ and EV modes. We've then got dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Then within here, we've got your satellite navigation. We've got your various audio sources just here. We've then also got your Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see there. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. Now of course these arrows here work between your onboard computer and infotainment system. On the right hand side we've got your cruise control and speed limiter with distance control and lane keep assist. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 29,109 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CR-V, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.